We had our house listed on the market for a year, and we decided to switch over to Wes. We'd heard some excellent things about, his team, and we had friends that had used it, and it worked. Our house sold in 6 days, and we sold and purchased through Wes's office, and it was a wonderful experience.
Everything was basically handled through the office. We didn't have to make any phone calls. The contact, the communication between the team and us was bar none perfect. It couldn't have gone better, so great experience overall.
Wonderful. Made a stressful experience less stressful, just not having to organize anything or make single phone calls for inspections or anything like that. So absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely.